I'm recirculating my mash right now. Prior to recirculation, I had mashed for about 45 minutes and got only up to 1.054. Recirculating a half hour brought it up to 1.077 or 1.078. I'm going to let it go a few minutes and see if I can get to 1.080. It's a beautiful color for a Doppelbock. That's the 2019 edition of the Doppelbock boiling away. It's looking pretty good. Embarking on what's going to be either the greatest success or the greatest screw-up of my brewing history. I'm going to try to hoist this fermenter with 13 gallons of wort in it into my keezer using my hoist. Okay, so we're first order of business, we got close to the freezer, and now I'm going to hook up the hoist. Okay, so we're hooked up. It's a little sketchy here, so I'm going to try to readjust this right here. I can't afford to have that thing slip off. I'm going to have to adjust my straps a little bit. That's looking a little better. I think it'll be safer. I've only got to go up about 7 inches. So this thing is supposed to lift 300 pounds. We'll see how it does. Okay, we're getting close. As you can see, I'm suspended over the keezer. Now the tricky part, getting it down in place. I measured and it fits. We just have to see if we can make it go. I'm going to have to turn it 90 degrees so those handles will clear. I'll do that while I'm lowering it. I'm not going to be able to illustrate this while I'm lowering. It's just not going to work. I guess you'd say it's successful. There she be. It was a little difficult. The handles on these fermenters fold down, and it was tight against the edge of the keezer, and I scratched her up a little bit on this side. I think next time I'll have to have an angle different and maybe get one of these kegs out of here, and it'll go a lot easier. I fit it before and it seemed to be okay. It's just really hard to get the angle right when it's all underweight, and it was really heavy. This thing has a brake right up here, and with the weight on it, it locked in position and I couldn't get the thing free. So I had to bring it back onto the rail here with the 2 feet, relieve some tension, and then I could get it free and finagled it in pretty nicely. So yeah, operation worked pretty good.